subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, today we are going to make a cute classroom teacher greeting card. So let's get started. Firstly, take a cardstock paper and cut it around few inches to make a small card. And if you want a bigger card, just leave it the way it is. Now take a pattern paper and mark around 1 cm and cut it out. Start sticking them at the corners of the greeting card to make them look as the borders. This makes the card look more professional. And if you watched my previous video, I did mention that I am going to feature one of your comments. So congratulations Raju Reddipalli. I do know her already because she is my favorite subscriber and supported me throughout my journey. Well, she uses her dad's account and her real name is Honey. So thank you so much Honey and love you. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, please comment down below. Do it similarly on the other side as well. Now cut out a pattern paper and stick it on the other side of the paper. This will resemble as the floor of the classroom. Now take a grey colored cardstock for making the desk. Mark around 8 cm width and 4 cm height. And draw a horizontal line. From there, mark a 5 cm length and draw another line. Similarly, mark another 5 cm and draw another horizontal line. Now take a ruler and mark around 3.5 cm from the left side and the right side as well. Now draw two vertical lines ending from the points. And lastly, draw 1 cm of another horizontal line in the bottom. After you're done, cut it out. Now cut out the middle part. Fold the creases very well. And take your greeting card and stick one end of the desk to the card. And stick the other part of the desk to the other side of the card this way. Your base of the desk is already done. Now to make the drawers, take an orange cardstock and cut about 2.5 by 1.5 centimeters in length. Make 6 of them similarly. And using a marker, draw a circle in the center. Now glue them to the desk, 3 on each side. Now for the blackboard, cut out the black cardstock around 4 by 5 centimeters and glue it to the greeting. I have taken printout of few school supplies. So I'm going to cut them out and stick them. I have glued a book shape on the desk. I also glued a brown paper around the blackboard. I also added a Happy Teachers Day message on the blackboard. And your inside of the card is already done. Now on the outer side, I have cut out few more school supplies and glued them randomly. In the end, I have glued the handwritten words to the best teacher. And that's it. You're done. Your classroom teacher's greeting card is ready. So do surprise your favorite teacher with this card and she might give you an extra mark in your next test. And if you love this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to comment down below to feature in the next video. Until then, meet you in my next video and happy crafting!